to this webinar titled What is Fascia? An Introduction to Anatomy and the Physiology. My name is Dr. Reena Pandya and I have been a physical therapist for almost 23 years now. I specialize in musculoskeletal therapy. The reason I chose this topic is because as an MSK physio, or as a neurophysio, or as a long-term care physio, community physio, or no matter what setup you work in, our goals with our patients is the same. We want the movement, the strength, and the function. In order for movement and strength to occur, that it would relate into function, the integrity of the musculoskeletal system is extremely important. One component that makes sure that there's adequate tone in the muscle and there's movement and strength in the muscles and the consequent movement of the MSK system as a whole, as well as which translates into function, is the fascia. So without further ado, let's talk more about fascia. At the end of this webinar, we are going to accomplish the following objectives. The successful candidate will be able to list 2 hypotheses of pain due to fascial system, list 2 components of the fascia, and list 3 techniques to treat fascial restrictions and adhesions. So we're going to go all the way from anatomy into treatment mode.